Hi folks, here are some quick tips and tricks for this fun letter activity. So I might want there to be more than one bee so that students can continually pull the bee and know that there's more there. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to copy the bee a bunch of times. I'm just pressing Control C, and then I'm going to paste a whole bunch of them. And then I'm going to select all of those. And I can do that by just drawing whoops, let's move that box out of the way. I can do that by just drawing a box around them. And then I'm going to unselect the letters that I don't want, the D, the C, and the E. And now I'm going to go up to the Arrange menu, and I'm going to choose Align and say Align Center. Oh, and then they're all in one line. It looks like I didn't unselect my other letters though. So let me try doing that again. I'm going to move those out of the way. Excellent. Okay, so now I'm going to select all of the bees, and I'm going to go to Arrange and say Align Center. And then I'm going to go back up there and I'm going to say Align Top. So now I have a stack of bees. So I can pull them into the green square to spell words and know that there's going to be more for my students afterwards. So I'm selecting them all by just moving my cursor and drawing a box around it, and it moves the whole stack. And I can move my other letters back. And I'm ready to go. Here is another tip for you about this. So I put this green mat in the middle of the page for students to put their letters on. But this is where you want to think about layers, because we want this layer to be on the bottom so that we can put our letters on top. So if you move the B over there and it doesn't show up on top, it's because the green box is on top. So you want to make sure you click on the green box and say Arrange, Order, and we would send it to the back. If it was at the front, we wouldn't see the B. We would need to arrange it and send it to the back, and then we would see the B showing up on top. Good luck, everybody.